Hi and welcome to day 14 of our 21 baby steps to an organized home with a Fly Lady system. How exciting is this? Like 2 weeks down. Today we will introduce writing a to-do list. Yes, because apart from all the activities we have to do in our morning routine, I have found that for us, especially who are working moms, and you're working and then you're running your home and maybe you're running a business, there is so much for us to do. So that's why it is important, like every evening before you go to bed, write a to-do list of activities that you do that might be different and apart from your normal routines. These are things that don't occur every day but need to be done. For example, let's say you need to call your mom, you need to respond to an email at work, maybe there's a project you need to work on and all that. Having a to-do list before you sleep, by the way, means that when you wake up in the morning and you're done with your morning routine, you know exactly what to do next. You know what to be done at lunchtime and whatever. It just really makes you more productive and avoids wasting time. So I like to do my to-do list in the evening, before I go to bed, and it really puts me in a nice sort of mental state so that in the morning when I wake up I know what I'm supposed to do. So that's what I want us to do today. You don't need to have a special planner, but if you do, more power to you. I do have one that I have had for 2 years now, going to 3 years. I'll give you a closer look. And I like this one because it doesn't have it doesn't come with dates so that you feel like, oh my gosh, it's for 2021 or 20 whatever, you know. It just gives you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that. Then, you know, you have a bunch of things that you can write. So I like it because I'm able to tick off my activities as I go along. It really helps me to feel more, you know, just more organized, you know, and you can all use to feel a bit more organized. So now let's get on to writing the to-do list, and remember to keep tagging me. Oh, and I keep forgetting to tell you guys about a hashtag that we are using on Instagram, which is not just Fly Lady. You can use the hashtag Fly Lady, but also hashtag Fly Lady Africa, because yes, we are in Africa and even Africans can fly. Hello. Anyway, let's do our to-do list. And so I'm done with my to-do list for tomorrow. And some of the things I wrote is I need to call a cleaning lady, someone to be coming once a week to help me because the housework is getting a bit too much for me, especially the ironing. And that is because this month I'm very busy at work and I've just realized that I need help. And it's okay to ask for help when you need it. So I need to call her tomorrow. Then I need to organize for our kids' extracurricular activity, because we have school and we need to get them into some sports. We need to coordinate for that. Then, you know, just trim their fingernails. I'm planning for a new batch cooking. I need to get a new Bible reading plan. We're well into the year and I haven't gotten a Bible reading plan yet, and so on and so forth. So you see, those are the things that you would write in your to-do list, because they're not necessarily in the Fly Lady routines, but these are things that need to be done. There's a friend of mine who was supposed to send me some books, and I need to remind her tomorrow. Yes, so that's how you write a to-do list. In case you were wondering, I'm sure you knew how to write a to-do list. I don't know why I went into all that, but I hope you are really enjoying the baby steps. Let me know which one has been your favorite so far. Remember to tag me on Instagram, Fly Lady, hashtag Fly Lady, hashtag Fly Lady Africa, hashtag SUZY'S, you know, just all the hashtags you can imagine, and let's keep growing together. I am so blessed by your enthusiasm for the 21 baby steps and for the Fly Lady system in general. I think our homes are going to be really organized by the time we are done. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.